Hello, my name is Don Chater, and I was out and about with with my family, and I saw one of your trucks. I'm local to you guys. I do website SEO, webmastering type stuff, and anyhow, I did a quick search and I didn't find you right away. These are obviously all your competitors. You're probably tired of seeing their trucks, but just wanted to give you some free tips and tricks. So to get into this map pack, you would need a website that has your name, address, and phone number all over the internet. So it looks like you were doing that with, let's see, I think you're down here somewhere. There you are. So when I go to your Facebook page, actually let me go back. So you're obviously on Google My Business, and you got lots of good reviews, and I see you're on Yelp in a greater town. So if you could get your name, address, and phone number on more places like these, like Angie's List, Thumbtack is another good one that's owned by Google. There's a ton of them, yellow pages, white pages. That would increase you up in here. Google would give you more trust. And also I noticed you used to have a website, so if you wanted I could create one for you. And then Google, there's a few things in a website that Google would trust better, more than your Facebook page. I could tie it together with your Facebook page. So just some ideas there that I had for you, but just wanted to at least give you a tip and trick that getting more citations, your name, phone number, and address on more websites, verifying that you are a real business. Google's all about trust, so, and Facebook's a competitor, so that's probably why you're ranking lower. So just some ideas. I do this for a living. If you wanted to hire me, I could take care of it for you, and I offer a money back guarantee, no risk, 60, 90-day money back guarantee. So no stress if you wanted to try me. So I've blown up a lot of websites in my time. Several in Wisconsin, but I do it nationwide too. And so I appreciate you watching this video. Don't want to take up too much of your time, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.